Curious how a simple email list could drive serious profit? Today, I'm sharing the exact steps to build a list from scratch and turn subscribers into loyal customers. Building an email list is a crucial step for achieving business success, and it serves as a primary profit driver for many entrepreneurs. An effective email list allows businesses to connect directly with their audience, fostering relationships that can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Unlike social media platforms where algorithms can limit visibility, an email list ensures that your message reaches your subscribers directly, making it a powerful tool for marketing. In this discussion, viewers will learn the essential steps to start an email list from scratch, including choosing the right email marketing platform, creating compelling lead magnets, and crafting engaging content that resonates with subscribers. We will delve into strategies for growing your list organically, such as utilizing social media, hosting webinars, and offering exclusive content that encourages signups. Additionally, I will share personal success stories that highlight the transformative power of email marketing. For instance, when I first launched my business, I struggled to reach my target audience effectively. However, after implementing an email marketing strategy, I saw a significant increase in engagement and sales. By offering a free ebook in exchange for email addresses, I was able to build a list of interested subscribers who were eager to receive updates and promotions. This approach not only boosted my revenue, but also created a community of loyal customers who felt valued and connected to my brand. Throughout this session, I will provide actionable tips and insights that can help you harness the potential of email marketing, ensuring that you can replicate this success in your own business. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to build and leverage an email list to drive profits and foster lasting relationships with your customers. Selecting the right email marketing service is a pivotal decision for any business looking to build an effective email list. There are several popular platforms available, each offering unique features that cater to different needs. MailChimp, for instance, is well known for its user-friendly interface and robust free plan, making it an excellent choice for beginners. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, provides advanced automation features and CRM capabilities, which can be beneficial for businesses looking to scale their marketing efforts. Other notable platforms include Constant Contact, which is praised for its customer support, and ConvertKit, which is tailored specifically for creators and bloggers. As you explore these options, it's essential to conduct thorough research to find a platform that aligns with your specific requirements. Consider factors such as your budget, the size of your email list, and the types of campaigns you plan to run. Additionally, think about the features that matter most to you, whether it's automation, segmentation, or analytics. Starting with a user-friendly service is crucial, especially if you're new to email marketing. A platform that is easy to navigate will save you time and frustration, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling content rather than getting bogged down by technical issues. Look for services that offer intuitive drag-and-drop editors, customizable templates, and straightforward reporting tools. Many platforms also provide free trials, so take advantage of these to test out their features before committing. By choosing the right email marketing service, you set the foundation for successful campaigns that can engage your audience and drive conversions. Remember, the goal is to find a platform that not only meets your current needs, but can also grow with your business as it evolves. Creating an enticing lead magnet is a vital strategy in email marketing, as it serves to attract potential subscribers by offering them something of value in exchange for their email addresses. A lead magnet is essentially a free resource or incentive designed to entice visitors to provide their contact information, thereby growing your email list. The purpose of a lead magnet is to establish trust and demonstrate your expertise while providing immediate value to your audience. Effective freebies can take various forms, such as informative guides, ebooks, checklists, or webinars. For instance, a comprehensive guide on 10 tips for effective email marketing can appeal to aspiring marketers, while a webinar on how to boost your online sales can attract business owners looking for actionable insights. The key is to ensure that your lead magnet addresses a specific pain point or interest of your target audience, making it irresistible to them. Equally important is the need for a well-designed landing page to capture emails effectively. This page should be visually appealing and clearly communicate the benefits of your lead magnet. Use compelling headlines, concise descriptions, and eye-catching visuals to draw visitors in. Additionally, ensure that the sign-up form is simple and straightforward, asking only for essential information, such as name and email address. A strong call to action, or CTA, is also crucial. Phrases like "download now" or "get your free guide" can encourage users to take action. By combining a valuable lead magnet with an optimized landing page, you create a seamless experience that not only captures emails, but also sets the stage for building a lasting relationship with your subscribers. Ultimately, a well-crafted lead magnet can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts, driving engagement and conversions for your business. Setting up initial emails for new subscribers is a crucial step in establishing a strong relationship with your audience right from the start. One of the most effective strategies is to implement a Day Zero autoresponder, which is an automated email sent immediately after someone subscribes to your list. This email serves as a warm welcome, setting the tone for future communications and reinforcing the subscriber's decision to join your list. By acknowledging their subscription promptly, you enhance engagement and make them feel valued, which can significantly increase the likelihood of them interacting with your content in the future. In addition to the Day Zero autoresponder, consider crafting a series of welcome emails designed to build rapport with your new subscribers. This series can include multiple emails spaced out over a few days or weeks, each providing valuable content, insights, or resources that align with their interests. For example, your first email could introduce your brand and its mission, while subsequent emails might share helpful tips, highlight popular blog posts, or offer exclusive discounts. This approach not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps establish trust and credibility, making them more likely to become loyal customers. Automation plays a vital role in nurturing leads effectively. By utilizing email marketing software, you can automate the sending of these initial emails, ensuring that every new subscriber receives timely and relevant content without requiring manual effort. Automation allows you to maintain consistent communication, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Additionally, you can segment your audience based on their interactions with your emails, enabling you to tailor future communications to their specific interests and behaviors. By setting up a thoughtful series of initial emails and leveraging automation, you can create a welcoming experience that fosters engagement and encourages long-term relationships with your subscribers. Promoting your email list and associated freebies is essential for driving sign-ups and expanding your audience. One effective strategy is to leverage social media platforms, where you can reach a broader audience and engage with potential subscribers. Share eye-catching posts that highlight the benefits of your freebie, whether it's a guide, ebook, or webinar. Use compelling visuals and clear calls to action to encourage followers to sign up. Additionally, consider utilizing stories, reels, or live sessions to create a sense of urgency or excitement around your offer. Website placements are equally important for visibility. Ensure that your lead magnet is prominently featured on your homepage, blog posts, and dedicated landing pages. Use pop-ups or slide-ins to capture visitors' attention without being intrusive. A well-placed sign-up form can significantly increase conversion rates, especially if it's strategically positioned at the end of a blog post or within relevant content. Consistency is key when promoting your email list across various platforms. Regularly remind your audience about the freebie through newsletters, social media updates, and even during webinars or events. This ongoing promotion keeps your offer top of mind and encourages those who may have missed it previously to take action. While it's important to be proactive in your promotion efforts, it's equally crucial to set realistic expectations for list growth over time. Building a substantial email list doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and persistence. Initially, you may see slow growth, but as you refine your strategies and continue to provide value, your list will gradually expand. Track your metrics to understand what works best and adjust your approach accordingly. By combining effective promotion strategies with realistic expectations, you can steadily grow your email list and create a valuable resource for your business. Regular communication with your subscribers is vital for maintaining engagement and building trust over time. Consistent email frequency helps establish a reliable rhythm in your communications, ensuring that your audience knows when to expect updates from you. This predictability fosters a sense of connection and loyalty, as subscribers feel valued and informed. Striking the right balance is essential. Too few emails may lead to disengagement, while excessive messaging can overwhelm your audience. Aim for a frequency that keeps your brand top of mind without becoming intrusive, such as weekly or bi-weekly emails. When it comes to the types of emails you send, variety is key. Incorporate a mix of content and sales-oriented emails to keep your audience engaged and interested. Content emails can include newsletters, blog post highlights, tips, or educational resources that provide value and position you as an authority in your niche. These emails not only keep subscribers informed, but also encourage them to interact with your brand. On the other hand, sales emails should focus on promoting your products or services, offering exclusive discounts, or announcing new launches. By blending both types of emails, you create a well-rounded communication strategy that nurtures relationships while driving conversions. To streamline your email marketing efforts, consider utilizing resources like an email marketing cheat sheet. This tool can provide you with essential tips, best practices, and ideas for content creation, helping you stay organized and efficient. It can serve as a quick reference guide for crafting compelling subject lines, optimizing send times, and segmenting your audience effectively. By prioritizing regular communication with your subscribers and leveraging helpful resources, you can cultivate a loyal audience that looks forward to your emails, ultimately driving engagement and boosting your business success. As we wrap up our discussion on building an email list, let's recap the 5 essential steps that can set you on the path to success. First, start by selecting a reliable email marketing service that fits your needs, ensuring you have the right tools to manage your list effectively. Second, create an enticing lead magnet that offers value to your audience, encouraging them to subscribe. Third, set up initial emails for new subscribers, including a day zero autoresponder and a series of welcome emails to build rapport and engagement. Fourth, promote your email list and freebie consistently across various platforms, utilizing social media and your website to maximize visibility. Finally, maintain regular communication with your subscribers, balancing content and sales emails to nurture relationships and build trust over time. Now that you have these key strategies in mind, I encourage you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on email marketing and business growth. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you and the community. Additionally, I invite you to explore more related content on our channel. We have a wealth of resources covering various aspects of email marketing, from advanced strategies to troubleshooting common issues. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your approach, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll dive deeper into optimizing your email campaigns for even greater success.